Hank, shoot that one. No.
Too far.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was fucking loud.
Shoot that one in the middle.
Hey!
Hold on, Mike.
Alright, go
Somebody tried a decoy.
Shoot it. Hank.
Shoot it!
No.
I think I got it.
They got me going.
Oh, right here.
Okay, shoot it, River.
He'll come back. Drake Shuffler. Shoot him, guys.
Nice shot.
Was that nuts? He wanted that sucker bad.
That's a mallard, ain't it?
I don't know. Was
Shoveler.
it? Was it you or Mike?
Spike.
Oh, it was
Drake
Mike.
shove. Found my bird on mountain this year.
He beat me.
Yeah.
I was gonna get it.
Shit, that's fucking 5 yards from the green chip shot there. I shot Kilo got it.
Here.
I didn't say it that way,
Shove.
Tried that decoy.
but- What decoy?
That decoy up there.
No, it's just the line's not long enough for it, bud. Ain't very pretty, is it?
No, he's not putting it. Hi.
Oh, hold on. Right there, you're dumping in right here in the decoy.
You just have to shoot
They're gonna flare off right there. Hold on, they're coming back.
Kill that one.
09 bird average.
It's not horrible.
Right here.
Shoot him.
Hank, shoot.
Right in the middle. You're good.
Shoot it.
Up and shoot.
Somebody shoot or I am.
Hoodie Merganser. What dog's going?
I didn't see it. I didn't know.
Send Kilo. I think Axel got the last one.
Good shooting, boys.
I was like, somebody got to shoot that motherfucker.
Good eyes, Dusty.
I got you.
I thought it was a bufflehead.
I did too
shot.
until
He
it
was
turned,
first.
and then I seen the beak. Huh?
3 people shot.
Nobody shot until my dad said nobody shot.
Well, it was getting ready to leave the area.
Hank got a little nervous.
I didn't see it for a long time. I didn't know I didn't know if he went down.
Nice job.
Sorry. No, he was on the water. That's why I said, Hank, shoot it. I was looking up.
Did you hit it or did you miss it?
He hit it. I mean, he didn't kill
I
it.
don't think it
Totally killed it. Did you only shoot once?
Twice.
Oh, you shot twice? Did
Yeah.
you not shoot Dusty? See, I was so committed. I don't give a fuck if he's stone cold killed it. I was shooting that motherfucker too.
I'm not trying to brag or anything, but whenever my gun went off, the bird fell.
Yeah, he was
That's
pretty
what
dead
they
when
all
I
fucking
shot.
say.
Do what?
He was pretty dead when I shot. I didn't give a fuck. It's out there away. Fuck it. I only shot one fucking time the other day.
Hey,
when
if it would have been a bufflehead, you probably wouldn't have got to shoot. I would have done so.
I think the only time water gets in here is when she's going or when the boats are going
I
by.
actually got some of his when the boat came by. No bird. It's Kilo's bird.
Good girl, Kiki.
skippity doo dah
Hit
day.
it again.
Huh?
Hit it again.
I shot.
You let him out. Did y'all shoot?
I finished it off.
Bailey finished it.
Well, I think I have my eyes closed. Here, hey, here. No, here. Good boy, here. Give, mine.